So hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hair, and if that looks like what you're interested in watching, then you need to keep on watching. And also please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. I have two puffs in front and I have one puff behind, and I'm going to start working with the sections at the front. So the first thing I did was to make a tiny section in between the two sections in front, so that way I have where I want my cornrow to be. Now this is a hair wax gel. It's a very strong hair gel, and I'm going to be mixing that with my Gorilla Snot gel as well as my Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to be using that to make everything to just sit in place and be sleek. So I applied this on the cornrow section, and then I went ahead to apply the hair wax on the other two sections, so that way when I am doing my cornrows it's easier to work with, because I don't have hair from both sides trying to come into the picture, you know. So I made sure that the other parts were flat by using the hair wax, and then I went ahead to start my cornrows. So if you guys want a detailed video on how to do cornrows by yourself, then let me know in the comment section, because I feel like I have gotten the hang of it. I feel like I can do it perfectly now, but let me know in the comment section if that's something you'd like to see on my channel. And then after that I went ahead to twist it. Then I came to this section. Now this section, what we're doing here is we're going to first of all detangle, and I had already moisturized, I forgot to mention. So now what I'm doing is I'm using my Gorilla Snot gel and I'm just applying that on my hair. I also mixed it with my Eco Styler gel. I mixed the two because my Gorilla Snot gel finished in the process, so I mixed both, and yeah, this is what I used to make everything look sleek. And then I'm going to create a small section just by the side, so that way when I curl it up it has this nice definition to it. And then I'm going to go ahead to do my regular flat twist. You guys know I love flat twists, like I'm so into it these days. But if you want a more detailed tutorial on how to do flat twist, then you should check one on my channel. I have something on how to do your flat twist by yourself. It's pretty easy, so I feel like you should check it out. So now we're going to the other side, and this is the same Gorilla Snot gel I used, and I'm just going to apply that and try to make everything smooth, because again this is supposed to be a sleek bun. So I'm going to apply more of that, and then usually I would comb through it again. Now this is the hair wax again that I'm using. Hair wax helps to make everything very flat. Now if you have a very hard brush, that would be the best thing to use with this hair wax, because it will just make everything flat and easy to work with. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do the flat twist on this side as well. And now I'm going to be doing my edges using the same hair wax again. I like it because it's very easy to work with, no stress. It's good for people that have stubborn edges that would not just want to stay in place. Now I'm just going to tie my hair. I tie it for about 20 to 30 minutes, sometimes not up to 30 minutes, but yeah. And then I untie it, and then this is what we're looking like right now. So I'm just going to stretch this part out and stretch the other parts out again. So now you remember the section we had at the back, I'm just going to comb that part out and try to blend everything together at the back. So I'm just going to tie the 3 sections we have in front with the one at the back, so that way everything blends together, and when you're looking at it, it's looking very neat. Okay, so this is the natural hair box ponytail. It comes with this, which you can use to attach to your hair and secure everything, and it also comes as a drawstring ponytail. So I'll leave the name of the brand in the description box if you want to get something like this. So I'll leave it there for you to check it out. You can check them out on Instagram. Now I'm just using my Eco Styler gel to define my curls. Remember the section we did. So let me know in the comment section if you prefer this or you would prefer it as a bun, which is what I'm trying to do now. So I tried to make the ponytail to appear as a bun by using my bobby pins. So using a bobby pin, I just tried to secure the ponytail at the back. So let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Do you prefer it dropping or you prefer it as a bun? Let me know in the comment section. But anyways, this is what we're looking like right now. So I went ahead to attach some of my hair accessories because again, I just love the spice that it adds to the whole look. So yeah, this is the final look. And let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this tutorial, if it was helpful, if you love the ponytail, anything. Just let me know in the comment section. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed up to this point, then sweethearts, please subscribe and like this video, share this video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.